Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo. Stuck in
Alright guys, I got steak benedict, we got green tea pancake,
Huevos con pollo.
Santorita.
Santorita. Good morning everyone. I just got a package from Starface. They have pimple patches that are in the shape of star and they are so freaking cute, and I'm so happy that they sent me PR. So here are the items that they sent. We got the Starface, Hydro Star, and Salicylic Acid. We have some pore strips. And we also have this little party pack. We got this hydrating face cream, which is, I believe, is like a moisturizer. This is like their famous little pimple patch case. I've always wanted one. I always see them at Target, but I never like got around to getting one. I already used one this morning and it was so cute. Here we go. And then last but not least, we got this Space Wash Foaming Facial Cleanser. And yeah, that's everything from Starface. Thank you so much, Starface, for this super cute package. Up next is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I was honestly screaming when I got this PR because, first of all, like, just PR or packaging wise, so cute. They really like thought this through. But this is their Cookies and Dreams collection, and they included everything on this list in this little white clear like cookie container. I mean, I say cookies because I've honestly seen people like store their Oreos in this little glass right here, but I've actually been looking for one like this to put some little things in it. Like, I saw this thing on TikTok where she wrote like all of her achievements, whether it be big or small. She wrote them down, kind of like, you know, folded them and put them in a little jar, and then at the end of the year she like read them through, and I thought it was just like a really nice thing to do, and it's a way for me to remember that no matter how small or big the achievement or my achievement is, that it happened, that I was able to accomplish them. The contents inside this jar: we got some cookies and cream thingy-mabobs. This is an eyeshadow pen. We got this little putty primer. I actually really love the original putty primer and I'm using them right now. This little milkshake overnight mask, and then some brushes, this little beauty blender or face sponge, some eyeshadows, love the blues, and then I guess like lip glosses and eyeshadows in here. Ooh, look at this lip gloss. It's like black. Thank you so much, e.l.f. Cosmetics. Honestly, like, cannot believe you put me in your PR, but please don't take me off. I love you guys so much. So I just got this PR package from Grande Cosmetics, and they sent these really cute cookies, and they're actually edible, and I'm so excited to taste them. They look so cute. I love the details. This one says, reach your full lash potential, big lash energy, bigger, better, Grande. And I actually have been meaning to get myself the Grande Lash Serum because I heard a lot of great things about this one and how it actually like lengthens your lashes. But I just got my eyelash extensions today, so this is gonna have to wait. At least I have something to use when I'm done with my lash extensions. But yeah, so thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics. They also gave this little like measuring thing to measure your lashes. And then next up, I got a PR package from Miss Lola, and can we just talk about this beautiful like pistachio green bag? It is like the Chanel bag, but it's just like this green one, and I love the color. And then we got a pair of jeans. This is shoes, and then some top and a dress. And then I also got this one here. So yeah, thank you so much, Miss Lola. I do have a coupon code with them, so if you guys use my code, you'll get a discount off. I just got this PR package from Kulani Kinis, and can we just talk about how cute the little paper wrap is? But I believe this is from their new collection. It's a little tote bag. Wait, this came in perfect timing. So we got these two bikinis here. This is not sponsored by any means. I really just wanted to share it because, first of all, packaging wise, they really like just killed it. Just like the design of everything, the color, and it's also like a really new brand that I haven't really heard of, and I also wasn't expecting to get a PR package from them, but they sent it to my PR, and I just want to go ahead and share it because these are actually like multivitamins, which is something that I've been really trying my best to keep it as a habit, is to take my vitamins because obviously they're good for you. And I was pleasantly surprised with everything that they sent. They just sent a couple of knickknacks and this little like notepad, or like this little postcard, says #DoItDaily, and you can write your healthy habit, I guess, on here to remind yourself. And then on the back it says, whether it's moving your body, eating something green, or catching some Z's, we're all about getting it done daily. And I really love that. I really actually love that. They gave me 3 in this really cute like pink clear case, which I am in love, by the way. Okay, I am so in love. And they sent me women's multivitamins, and the vitamins are vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, B12, C, D, and E. We have acai, biotin, cranberry, and folic acid. Here we also have collagen, 2,000 milligrams. It's called Glogetum. It is vitamin C and E. Vitamin C for superior absorption, and it contains 1 and 3 collagen peptides. And last but not least, we got one for hair, skin, and nails. Also sent this little notepad, and it's like a little habit tracker. We got some stickers, love them, and this little headband that you guys can use if you guys like wash your face or like removing your makeup. And last but not least, they also sent this really cute tumbler, and it says Happen. It's in this color pink. I forgot how much I actually really like the color pink, but it has to be like pastel pink like this one. Next package we have is from Grande Cosmetics, and they sent this really cute white bucket hat that says #Big Lash Energy, and then also their infamous Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. Next up on the PR packages, we got one from Hawaka Swimwear. I believe that's how you pronounce them. I'm so sorry if I like totally butcher that. But they wrote a really sweet note, and they sent over these 2 really gorgeous neoprene, what do you call it? Bikinis. And this one in particular, the green one with this little H embroidered on it, or not embroidered, but it's like literally almost 3D. It reminds me of University of Hawaii, Manoa, because the colors and just the H in general. So I'm very excited to shoot with these. If you guys want to check them out, these are their Instagram as well as their website. Next package we have is from DP Hue, and it's a hair care brand, and they sent me 3 of their Prep and Protect collection. This is the mist. It says 10-in-1 Wander. And then we got the Color Fresh, which is like a blow dry cream. And last but not least, we got the Thermal Protection Spray, which is actually really good because I am missing out, or I ran out of my protective spray before I use any heat. So this one came in at perfect timing. But yeah, thank you so much to DP Hue. Alright everyone, I finished my appointments. She was so nice. She was also Filipino, which I really love. I can always tell when someone's Filipino. She was so nice about it. But now in my mind, I'm like, damn, she has seen my coochie. Right now, I'm just applying some aftercare products, which is aloe and hydrocortisol, just to like calm it down a bit. Hello, good morning, and welcome back to the vlog. It has been a hot minute since I picked up my vlogging camera and like vlogged at home, but I wanted to vlog today because I'm actually getting my nails done. They are still going strong, but as you can see, they're like really grown out. Like this is my nail bed right here, and then this is the gel extensions. Time-wise, I'm glad that they like stayed through my whole trip. I was in Hawaii for literally almost a month, and I am about to get them changed today. This is the design that I'm planning on switching out to, and it's past Valentine's Day, but you know what, love is every day, and I feel like it's a really cute look. Like it's neutral, but it has a hint of like those little designs on it. So yeah, I'm excited. Also, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest, I haven't done my skincare for like a month now. Like I haven't put anything on my skin besides like an ice cube when I do my little ice cube routine, and then I put like oil for my gua sha. Long story short, I have been skipping out my skincare because I forgot to bring them in Hawaii, and my skin has never looked better. I mean, I obviously still have like posts, you know, pimples and stuff like that, but maybe skincare is just like not for me, guys. I don't know.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could.
My camera's dying, but here we go. She's so cute. Oh.